Next, third problem. If a comma b comma c are in HP, then 1 by b plus 1 by c minus 1 by a of 1 by c plus 1 by a minus 1 by b. What is the value of this one? Okay, in terms of ABC. So here a comma b comma c are given HP. Okay, so that is converted into AP means 1 by a comma 1 by b comma 1 by c are in AP. If three terms are in AP, middle term is called arithmetic mean. So 1 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c by 2. So from this one 2 transpose this side, 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. Okay. So we get one relation, 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. From this one you have to find 1 by a. 1 by a, that is equal to 2 by b minus 1 by c. Similarly 1 by c is equal to 2 by b minus 1 by a. 1 by b is equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by 2c. Okay, we get 1 by a, 1 by b and 1 by c from this one. Okay, so these values are substituted, then we get option A, option B checking. Okay, now observe first option, there is no a term. Okay, so first we have to remove a term. So in place of 1 by a, taken as 1 by a value in terms of b and c. Okay, second option, not there b. So in place of 1 by b, taken as 1 by b value, 1 by 2a plus 1 by 2c. In third option there is no c. Okay, so in place of 1 by c, taken as 1 by c is equal to 2 by b minus 1 by a. Okay, so first we have to check it. First one, so in first one not there a, so we have to remove a. In place of a, taken as a value. So 1 by b plus 1 by c minus 2 by b plus 1 by c. So minus, apply minus, minus 2 by b, minus into minus plus 1 by c. Here 1 by c plus 1 by a, 2 by b minus 1 by c minus 1 by b. So here 1 by b minus 2 by b minus 1 by b. Here 2 by c minus 1 by b. 2 by c. 1 by c plus 1 by c, 2 by c minus 1 by b minus 2 by b minus 1 by b into here plus 1 by c minus 1 by c cancel, 1 by b here. 2 by b minus 1 by b, 1 by b. Okay. Now multiply. So 2 by bc minus 1 by b square. 2 by bc minus b square. Okay, yes, correct one. First one is correct one. Okay. Now check it next one. So second one, there is no b term. So that's why we have to remove b. Okay. So in place of 1 by b, taken as 1 by 2a plus 1 by 2c plus 1 by c minus 1 by a. Of here 1 by c plus 1 by a minus 1 by 2a minus 1 by 2c. So here 1 by 2a minus 1 by a. So LCM is 2a, 1 minus 2. Plus here LCM is 2c, 1 plus 2. Here, so 1 by c minus 1 by 2c plus 1 by a minus 1 by 2a. So here how much? 3 by 2c, this is negative, minus 1 by 2a. So positive is taken as first. 3 by 2c, 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2a. Here LCM is 2c. So 2 minus 1, 1 by 2c. Here 2a, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2a. Okay. So here 1 by 2a, here 1 by 2c. So multiply 3 by 4c square. Next first one and the second one. Plus 3 by 4ac. Second term and first term. Plus into minus minus 1 by 4 AC plus and minus minus 1 by 4 A square. Okay, now here both are like terms, so 3 by 4 C square plus 2 by 4 AC minus 1 by 4 A square. Okay, we get this one. So here by taking common 1 by 4, then you get result. Okay, by taking common 1 by 4, 3 by C square plus 2 by AC minus 1 by A square. Okay, so second option also correct. By taking common 1 by 4, then you get that result. Okay, second also correct one. So next one, third one. So in third option there is no C, so we have to remove C. So in place of C, taken as 1 by C value taken. So 1 by B plus 1 by C means 2 by B minus 1 by A. Minus 1 by A. Here 2 by B minus 1 by A plus 1 by A minus 1 by B. So here 3 by B minus 2 by A. 3 by B minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 by A. Here 2 by B minus 1 by B, 1 by B, okay, plus 1 minus 1 by A plus 1 by A cancel. So here 3 by B square minus 2 by AB. 3 by B square minus 2 by AB. Okay, this is also correct. So we get first option, second option and third option. These three options are correct. Okay.